Germany found itself in the grip of a harsh winter. As early as January 3rd, the country was hit by heavy snowfall and temperatures reaching minus 15 degrees Celsius. Roads became icy, making driving extremely dangerous. Cars skidded and public transportation was delayed and cancelled. The German Weather Service warned of snowdrifts and freezing rain. Drivers were advised to use winter tyres and keep their distance. Since January 5th, snowstorms have intensified with hurricane-force winds paralyzing traffic in the northern regions. In Hamburg and Bremen, train and bus service was disrupted. In the south of the country, temperatures dropped to double-digit below zero. Roads remained slippery, and the number of accidents increased sharply. The ADAC Automobile Club reminded drivers to completely clear their vehicles of snow and ice. The situation was further complicated by a combination of snow and freezing rain in the central regions. Power companies warned of the risk of power outages due to icy lines. Residents were advised to check the weather forecast before every trip. This week has been a true test for Germany, demonstrating the strength of winter and the fragility of the usual rhythm of life.